We're here trying to do a demonstration of, well, a lot of times these crawl space homes, they've been wet for so long, they start to look like they appear like they're drying up, but sometimes that ground is still wet below the surface there. So this is just a little demonstration to show the problems that arise with us when we start to get over here and try to raise a home up. You see that block kind of work slowly, we're jacking it up, but all it does is just sinking right into the ground. See, that's probably gone in about 2 inches now, and it's still sinking. That's why a lot of times we just really got to give it more time for crawl spaces to dry up.